Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be part two of my Facebook organic traffic video series, guys. I want to keep it very short and sweet today. So the amount of friends you want to be friending on Facebook per day, guys, is about 30. So what you're going to be doing is finding related groups, guys, that are related to your niche, and you want to be friending people in there. And for every person you friend, guys, you will be making sure that someone that you can relate to, guys. Picture yourself in that person's shoes, guys. So you can decide whether you actually want to friend them and talk to these people, guys. Because that's really what it's going to come down to. Another thing you can utilize on Facebook is the Facebook stories. Let me tell you real quick why this is so important. Now, for every time you make a story, guys, and someone clicks on your icon, they're going to see that story as soon as they click on your page. And that can be pretty much anything, guys. So if it's something you're promoting, guys, and you're having a conversation with that person about something else, and they click your page, they're going to see that, and they're going to want to conversate around that. So stories is a very powerful tool to use on Facebook, guys. And I would recommend posting every single day, maybe a few times a day, and using the stories at least once or twice a day, guys. You don't have to be using your promotional, your affiliate material, guys, in the stories every single day. But I would definitely recommend making stories every day. It could be about something you're doing, something that's happened in your life, or the product that you are promoting, guys. But this is a very essential tool that I think you should not be ignoring. That's going to be pretty much it for part two of organic Facebook traffic strategies, guys. Let me know if there's anything else I can cover in a future video, guys. I will have part three out very, very shortly. All right? Take care.